YouTube. Alright, today's video is gonna be on how I wash my hair. As you can see, I ain't been ragged up. I need to bounce back. But what I did do, I combed it out first, because that's the first step you want to do before you wash your waves. Okay, you want to comb it out so that you can get a real good lather, so you can get all the dirt out of it and get a real nice lay once you start brushing with that soap or shampoo. Okay, we're gonna get into all the myths of leaving soap in your hair and how to do it correctly. I'm gonna show you what products I'm using during my wash, how I unrag, how I rag up, the results, the whole complete washing style. Alright, shout out Young Wavy for coming out with the washing style for us wavers. We appreciate you. Alright, but anyway, cut this short. I'm trying to make this a short video. I don't want it too long, but I'm gonna get into this video right now. The first wash is never going to give you no good lather, okay? Your hair is dirty. It got product in it. You may be using pomade and butters and oils or whatever. So don't look for your first wash to have a good lather. But after 2 good washes, this is what it's going to look like. This is what it looked like. Now you got good lather because your hair is clean now. You can't get no lather if you still got product in your hair and it's dirty or whatever. So this is basically what a good, clean head of hair looks like when soap is applied. You got white bubbles and lather, okay? Now, on a scramble wash, make sure it gets it all out. And then you want to get in with your brush session. final wash with the wave slime, okay? Now, with any shampoo that has a cleansing agent in it, okay? A cleansing agent. That means something that's gonna get your hair clean. You want to rinse it out. You don't want to leave it in there, all right? There's a lot of misconception out there with people leaving shampoo and soap in their hair, all right? If that directions tells you to leave it in, that it's some type of conditioning bar or something like that, then by all means, do it at your own risk. But as far as wave slime and smoke, we rinsing it out at the end, okay? So again, I use a dime size amount. I applied it to my freshly rinsed hair, which is still wet. I want to make sure I cover my whole pattern, and I'm going to go around once or twice with the brush, and I'm going to rag up, and that's going to be it. All right, now it's gonna get easier. All right, we almost done. Now get your do-rag, whether it's a mesh do-rag or a silky do-rag, wet just the part that's gonna go on your head. All right, rinse it with cold water. Okay, now I got it down. The soap is still in there. I'm going to rinse the soap out. I'm going to hop in the shower, and then when I come back, I'm going to show you the unrag of the results of it. All right, remember, recap, all right? I did a smoke clay wash first, 2 times, got all the dirt, all the product out. Then I rinsed it out both times, and then I went in with the wave slime. I brushed my pattern down. I wet the do-rag. I ragged up, put a stocking cap on. Here we are now.